Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Black Ops Beta with a PS4 controller on the PC. So it's the Black Ops Beta open weekend has just started on the PC, and for those that have not pre-ordered it on the console but have a PC, you can play it free for a couple of days and you can use a PS4 controller. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your PC and play Blackout Beta. But obviously you're going to need a PS4 controller, you're going to need a micro USB cable, which is here. You're going to plug one end into your PC and then the other end is going to go into the PS4 controller. PC has just made a noise saying that it's setting up the device. That's your PS4 controller connected to your Windows 10 PC. So next up, you're going to launch the game. Once you're in the game, click Blackout, then go to Settings, you'll see Gamepad. Make sure it's enabled. And then all you're going to do now on your controller is just click, literally, see it's lit up, press any button, and there you go. Go out the game. Straight to deploy. Still using the PS4 controller. See it's fully working. Get into the game and see what this looks like, plays like. Just let you know that I'm not using the most amazing PC in the world. It's only an i5 processor in there. And this the PC barely runs it. I get a load of notifications saying that I need more memory, I need a better graphics card. But this is just to prove that you can play Blackout Beta on a PS4 controller for the PC. There you go. Sorry about the lag. Fully working. All the buttons. Go and punch this dude in. Yeah, so there you have it guys. That's the PS4 controller connected to the PC playing Black Ops 4 beta mode for the PC. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe, any problems leave a comment in the comment box below and I'll get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.